How to use TextNow on Android. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard which includes your message, contact and call history. To send the message, tap the pencil icon or new message button, then enter the recipient's number or select a contact from your list. Type your message and hit send. TextNow allows you to send free text messages to other numbers even if they don't have the app installed. To make a call, tap the phone icon, enter the number or choose a contact and press call. You can also access features like voicemail, call forwarding and group messaging from the main menu. To customize your experience, open the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From here, you can adjust settings for notification, ringtone, account info and privacy. TextNow also allows you to manage your contact efficiently. You can add new contacts directly in the app or import them from your device to keep all your conversations organized. Now you know how to use TextNow on Android, making it easy to send messages, make calls, and manage contacts efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.